This is Mistress Quickly. She's a 60-foot 5-inch cruiser stern narrowboat, built in 2011 by Aqualine. She's part of their Madison range. Into the electrical cupboard, extremely neat and tidy electrics, MPPT controller, 3 kilowatt inverter charger, galvanic isolator. So she has got solar panels on the roof. I think there's 540 watts in total. Propulsion is by a Beta Marine 43 diesel engine. Central heating is by an Audi gas boiler. Reverse layout, so into the galley at the aft. Lovely granite worktops. Gas cooking. It's an integrated under-counter Zanussi fridge, icebox, ceramic tiles on the floor. Fit out throughout is in ash, magic corner cupboard. Along the port side is your fin rads, which is heated by the Audi gas boiler. Dinette, that makes a double berth. Into the saloon, solid fuel stove, display cabinet. And then towards the aft is your shower room. Again, granite worktops in here, pump out toilet, nice clean quadrant tiled shower cubicle. Hot water is heated by the engine boiler and immersion. Some storage in the shower room. Ceramic tiles on the floor in here. And then at the front of the boat is your bedroom. There's a 6'3" by 3'8" permanent double, and that does extend to 5 foot wide. Double wardrobe. And out into the well deck. We'll take another walk back through the boat. All of the specification will be on our website. You can download the 4-page brochure. She's not with us at North Kilworth. She's located in Newbury. You will need to make an appointment to view her. So please give us a call on 01788 822 115. She will be going live on our website, www.abnb.co.uk, where you can find all the details.